you just get this wet and then you
slide on down, yeah. So yeah, all you're gonna do is kind of lob it upstream and let it fall back. Yep. I'd say use half a worm. It's about what they want, typically. Yeah, we're just here hitting Nemacoggin River, doing one of my favorite forms of fishing, just some good old-fashioned worm on a hook. Heard there's decent browns these days in here, so maybe get into a brookie as well. That'd be cool. Or just whatever's biting. So yeah, here we go. But yeah, you just kind of cast her out there and keep a bit of a tight line. See what happens. Yeah, there's a fish like right where you casted, basically. There's a fish there. He keeps coming up and like putting his teeth into it and then not doing anything.
Where I cast it in front of me?
Yeah. So you want to be up in front of him though. Yeah, like that. Perfect. Yep, nope, got me.
Huh?
Got me.
got you.
Yep.
Where's your board?
Right here.
Oh, you put him in the tree?
Yeah.
Tree board now?
I am a tree boy. About a tree fitty boy. All right. So let's see what this little path holds for us. I don't think I'll be able to do anything with this, but we'll see. Hey, hold that. Okay, thanks. Yeah, it's going pretty good actually. Got some bites here. Yeah, it is actually. Oh, there went another one. I just need him to commit. Come on. Okay. Whatever it is, it's too small for this hook. And that's okay. We're gonna go try the other spot now. Ugh. Get it on that bank over there. Ooh, come on now. Son of a gun. I had whatever was up there. Hold on. Let's try one more, a couple more casts here. See if we can get it to go. Oh. Found the one snag. All right, one last go.